You said never let me go. 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 You said
Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today I am going to teach you how to make a super foamy bar soap. How to make a super foamy bar soap. The recipe we are going to use is caustic soda 1000 grams, soda ash 111 grams, sodium silicate 250 ml, sodium lauryl sulphate 200 grams, palm kernel oil 3 liters, bleached palm oil 1.5 liters, water 3500 ml, and colorant 3 grams. This recipe is going to produce about 8 liters of soap paste. In addition to this, you will also need a face mask, hand gloves, buckets, soap mold and soap cutter, a stick blender, a stove, and hand towel. Now do not use any metallic item in soap production. Talking about metallic spoon, do not use anything metallic in the course of producing your soap. Alright, now before we start the production, let's take this precaution. That caustic soda, soda ash, sodium lauryl sulphate and sodium silicate are highly dangerous chemicals. Ensure you wear face masks and hand gloves before you carry out this exercise. And stay in a well ventilated place to do your soap preparation. Do not allow children to come close while you are making your soap. And keep all soap chemicals out of children's reach. Alright. Now let's see the procedure for making our super foamy bath soap. The first thing we are going to do is to prepare the caustic soda and the soda ash solutions. So to prepare the caustic soda solution, put about 3 liters of clean water into a bucket. Put about 3 liters of clean water into a bucket. Now put on your face mask and your hand gloves and measure 1000 grams, that is 1 kilogram of the caustic soda, and add it to the water bit by bit and stir to dissolve. Add the caustic soda bit by bit to the water and stir to dissolve. Now notice that the solution becomes very hot as you are stirring. Alright, so you do not have to use this solution immediately. So you keep it to cool and stabilize for about 24 hours. Alright, now let's go into the soda ash solution. Now measure 111 grams of soda ash and dissolve it in 350 ml of the water. Measure 111 grams of soda ash and dissolve it into 350 ml of water. Stir strongly to dissolve. This one takes time to dissolve, so you stir strongly. And also, after dissolving it, you keep the solution for about 24 hours to cool. Now measure 100 grams of the sodium lauryl sulphate and pour it into the remaining water. Just keep it. It will dissolve over time. Now after about 24 hours, pour the soda ash solution into the caustic soda solution and stir. That is, mix the soda ash and the caustic soda solutions together. Now measure about 250 ml of sodium silicate into a container. Measure 250 ml of sodium silicate into a container and add the sodium lauryl sulphate solution that you have made. Add the sodium lauryl sulphate solution that you have made and mix the two solutions together. Alright, now measure 3 liters of palm kernel oil into a clean and dry pot. And also measure 1.5 liters of bleached palm oil and add to the palm kernel oil in the pot and stir. That means this palm oil must have been bleached before this preparation. So you have to bleach your palm oil in an open space, allow it to cool before you use it for soap preparation. Alright, now measure about 3 grams of an oil-soluble colorant of your choice into a separate pot and add about 100 ml of the oil mixture. That means take about 100 ml of the oil, that's the palm kernel oil and the palm oil blend that you have made, and add it to the colorant in a pot, small pot, and stir it. Now place the pot on fire and heat the oil for some time while stirring. This is to ensure that all the colorant dissolves before you add it to the main oil. Because if you add the colorant straight to the main oil that you are going to use in making your soup, you are going to have some patches of undissolved colorant on your soup, on your final product. And this will not be nice. Now when the colorant has all dissolved, remove it from the fire and allow it to cool. Then pour it into the main oil. Now pour in the sodium silicate and sodium lauryl sulphate mixture. Pour in the sodium silicate and the sodium lauryl sulphate mixture and stir it with the oil. Now add the caustic soda / soda ash solution. Add the caustic soda / soda ash solution and stir. Stir strongly in a clockwise manner for some time for the oil to react with the caustic alkali solution. Now after the soap has formed a trace, pour it into the mold and cover it. Remove it from the mold after about 24 hours and cut into bars. Then you expose the bars to air for a minimum of 21 days, that's 3 weeks. For air to react with it, in case there is any unreacted alkali in the soup. As you expose it to air, the carbon dioxide component of the air will react with the caustic alkali and convert it to a harmless substance. So you expose your soap to air for about 21 days minimum before you begin to use. Alright, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.